Yo, check this place out. St. Mary's TV service. I was stopping by just to get some coffee and servicing all major brands. This is an old TV repair shop. You can see the old RCA sign right there. I went to go ask the people in this gas station how long this shop has been closed down. They said it's been closed down a lot longer than 10 years. That's so funny. A TV repair shop. So back in the day, I barely remember these as kids. Barely remember them as kids. I stopped seeing TV repair shops probably by the time I was 16, 17 years old. Back in the day, a TV was so expensive compared to what the wages are that if your TV broke, you just call the TV repairman and he'd come out there and fix it, or you would bring it to him. Nowadays, TVs are so cheap, you just go ahead and just throw it away and buy a new one. By the way, who the hell gets $5 on a pump 3? Who gets $5 in gas at a time when you're riding a car? You got to have some major financial episodes in your life in a negative fashion for you to be getting $5 a pump 3. I don't think things are going your way when it comes to money. If you get anything less than $10 on any pump on any given day, there's something wrong financially with you. You're definitely living check to check. You're probably a one-income household. You're probably not doing very well in life. You know, listen, yeah, maybe I sleep in a trailer and sometimes I drink my own urine, but I'll tell you this, I don't get $5 on pump whatever, okay? I can fill up the tank. I got enough money to where I can fill up my tank when I need to, all right?